Meanwhile, Ethiopian Airlines has resumed flights to Somalia after 4 decades of absence. The national carrier's flight resumption to Mogadishu is said to be historic, as it will certainly help the people of Somalia in the country and those around the world to finally get connected to other parts of Africa, of course, through direct flights via Addis Ababa. Now, the airline will operate 3 times a week, and the flights are expected to improve business in Somalia.
We've been flying to many destinations all over the world because Mogadishu is number 117. But unfortunately, our services to Mogadishu has been suspended for the last 40 years, and situations have not allowed us to restart. But we are very, very happy today to restart our service, and it means a lot, quite a lot, for the Ethiopian people, for the people of Somalia, in Somalia, and also for the Somalians residing in Europe, America, and the rest of the world.
It wouldn't be possible this without political support from Ethiopian government. Decade is more than 40 years. It was challenges, security challenge, and other challenges which prevented Ethiopian Airlines to go directly to Somalia. But now, with the political support from both countries and the fruit of the strong relationship between the two countries, it's happening now.